Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is the little poorhouse. And today we're going to do a vase because I've done several canvases in a row and I need something a little bit different. And I can't resin this vase until spring because it's so cold here in Maryland. I can't open the door and I have nowhere else to do it but my craft room. Alright, so I'm going to leave my colors in the description if you're interested. It's basically Arteza colors and some deco art to fill in if this bowl isn't enough. So this is my bowl, and there's about a little over 7.5 ounces in here, and I'm just gonna pour it. I'm not gonna do a tree ring or try to make it. I'm just gonna pour it on and see what we get. And I will try to do this left-handed. So here we go. Wow, everything's covered. Awesome. I still have some paint left in here. I might set up another little thing here and do a canvas out of it or something. So here's the 8x10. This is the lower left corner. And we're gonna come across. And right in there you can see where the rose gold that I used is coming through, giving just a hint of shininess. I swear it looks like the inside of a hurricane. And it kind of doesn't go with, I'll show you the vase in a second, but it the colors go, but the look does not. Alright, so here's the vase. I'll go up and down and then spin it around. Okay. I think I really like that short black line right through here. I think it gives like a nice little contrast. I'm glad I added the black in. Trying to do this slow because it's sitting on a cup, so you don't want to knock this over. Alright, so that's that part, and then here's the top. And it seems like it's slowed down on the dripping, so it may stay like that. And if it finishes anything like the Christmas bulbs that I used the Arteza on, it should have a nice little finish to it. Not shiny, but not matte either, like somewhere in the middle. Alright, so there we have it. And that's this week's video. Don't forget to find us on Facebook, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. It helps the algorithm and helps other people find my videos. And as always, have a wonderful week and thank you for watching.